Waffles, anyone? Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am excited to share with you this waffle maker. I've been in the mood for waffles and I'm sick of buying the frozen ones at the store. This will actually pay for itself over and over. This is a waffle maker by Bella. And what makes it unique is it flips. What I love about it. And you can store it flat or you can store it by locking it in the up position. Let me get it in the lock position here. There you go. You push it in and turn it and then it locks. Ta-da! And then you push it in and it'll unlock. I love it because it has a little cord here that you can store it like that. And I'm going to give you a demo and show you how it works. So let's whip up some waffles. Okay, I want to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see it. Now after you plug it in, you're going to see an orange light. You want to wait till that turns white before you start making your waffles. It does have a little lock on it. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now while we are waiting, you can buy already mixed waffle mix at the store, or you can also make it from scratch. It's actually pretty easy to do. It's just basically flour, eggs, milk, little baking powder, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. Sometimes you can add a little bit of butter to it as well. So we're going to wait till this light turns white, and then I'm going to pour this in. Now what's really great about this particular waffle maker is that you don't need to spray it, and they recommend that you don't spray it. It has a really nice coating on it that is non-stick, and I love that. I love the fact that you don't have to buy spray and spray it every time, and the fact that it flips, it's just dynamite. So as soon as that light turns white, we're going to make a waffle. Alright, as you can see, the light turned white. It does take about 5 minutes for that to happen. Now they say you pour about a half a cup in here. I can never figure out how to measure that. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour it in like that. And then close it. Lock it. And then you're going to flip it. Okay, then after you flip it, the light will go back to orange, and then you're going to wait for it to turn white, flip it back, and then we're going to open it up. That takes about 2.5 minutes, so I'm going to speed it up until that light turns white. Look at the steam. Alright, as you can see, the light turned white. So now we're going to carefully grab it and flip it. Go ahead and open it up. Well, it's stuck on the top, so let me do this so you can see it. And there you have it. Now the other thing that I like to do is I like to freeze them. So I will take these and stick them in a Ziploc and put them in the freezer. And then you just stick them in a toaster oven and they get really nice and crispy. Excellent, excellent. So I'm going to go ahead and make another one. I don't think I poured enough batter in that one. I'll put that off to the side. There you go. I think you want to cover the whole thing like that. I'm going to close it, lock it. You can see the light's orange, so I'm going to flip it. And then again, you wait till the light turns white, and that's about 2.5 minutes. Now, as you can see, I put a little bit too much batter in, so it takes a little bit of practice to figure out how much. Like I say, I tried using a measuring cup and it didn't quite work for me, so I'd rather just free pour. But if you put too much, it'll come out, and you just clean it up. And this cleans up really easy. All right, we're just waiting. All right, the light turned white. I think this is going to be a better one. I'm going to flip it over, unlock it. Usually they stay on the bottom, but that's all right. This will work. So there you have it, nice and brown, and this one's nice and crispy. And you can break them into 4s. Ta-da! How about it? Let's take a bite. And there's so many things. You can put fresh fruit on these. Oh, powdered sugar. So good. So good. Perfect. All right. Well, Bella flips is stored upright and it has that little timer on it. Dynamite. Hope this helps you out. Till next time, this is Bo. See ya!